left or right to engaging and thrilling monster battles, iLook brings interactive fun right to your desktop. And the best part? With regular updates, iLook never stops learning, evolving into a more intelligent and responsive companion each day. Do you think having one iLook is fun? Try two. These robots recognize each other and can play, compete, or even throw a little robot party together. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply seeking a unique companion, iLook offers an affordable blend of entertainment, emotion,
काय पाहिजे तुला?
मला रोबोट पाहिजे.
हे टीव्हीतलं
without the usual hassle. So,
हेच
are you
ना?
ready to step into the future of pet
असंच
robots
पाहिजे ना
with
तुला?
iLook?
हा असं पाहिजे.
नक्की सांग कसं पाहिजे?
असंच पाहिजे.
कसं टीव्हीतलं?
हा
Where technology meets companionship,
कोणाला आणायला लावतो मग?
is the game changer.
मोठे
Imagine a tiny
बाबाला.
companion
Huh?
buzzing with intelligence
मोठे
and a dose of
बाबाला.
curiosity.
बर ठीक
That's
आहे.
EMO, the AI desktop pet from Living AI. Unlike any gadget you've owned,
मा,
EMO walks the line
तुम्ही
between
दोन्हीचा
technology
फोटो
and a real pet. It
पाठवला
moves
ना.
independently,
दोन्हीचा
tracks
फोटो
sounds,
पाठवला
recognizes
म्हणजे
your
दोन
face,
रोबोट
and
आहे.
even keeps from tumbling off your
कोणते
desk.
दोन रोबोट?
But that's not all.
दोन रोबोट.
EMO brings emotions to life with over
एक
1,000
हा
हम्म.
गाणेवाला
ना
एक तो वाला.
बर ठीक आहे.
See it too. It grows and adapts, getting to know you better.